Hello guys, in this video we will see how to get or find a Docker container IP address from the host. Let's verify currently running Docker containers. At present, one container is running. We can use container ID or container name to find out the Docker container IP. Simply run sudo docker inspect, then give the name of the container or container ID. Both are same. We have received lengthy output, but see here, it is there here at the end IP address. You can also get the IP address by running this one, then give the space, then give the container ID or container name. See, this is the IP address. In the old or previous versions, just give this command, then give the container ID or container name. See, we got the same output. We can also get by checking hosts from the container. Give sudo docker exe, then container name web-app1, then cat, then etc, then hosts. See, this is the container IP and this is the container name. So in this video we have seen how to find or get Docker containers IP address using different methods. For more Docker videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.